So moving to the next question of today's paper, question number 153. Which is the correct statement for the given acids? First option, phosphinic acid is a diprotic acid while phosphonic acid is a monoprotic acid. Second option, phosphinic acid is a monoprotic acid while phosphonic acid is a diprotic acid. Third option, both are diprotic acids, and fourth option, both are triprotic acid. So question is related to the basicity of the phosphorus acid. Now let us see. The first term is phosphinic acid. Phosphinic acid is H3PO2 and phosphonic acid. This phosphonic acid is H3PO3. Now we are well aware that H3PO2, its basicity is 1 and this is monoprotic acid. While H3PO3, its basicity is 2 and it is a diprotic acid. So phosphinic acid should be monoprotic and phosphonic acid should be diprotic. It means in the given 4 options, the correct one is second. So answer is second option. Moving to the next question, question number 154. My and Ny3, two nearly insoluble salts, have the same Ksp values of 6.2 into 10 raised to power minus 13 at room temperature. Which statement would be true in regard to My and Ny3? This question is based on the concept of solubility product and common ion effect. The first salt given here is My, which dissociates as M positive and Y negative. It means the given salt is an binary salt, and for any binary electrolyte, solubility product is equal to S square. So using the relationship, we can calculate solubility if required. The second salt is given Ny3. When dissolved in water, equilibrium established. Here the cation is N3 positive ion, anion is 3Y negative ion. Since 4 ions are produced, this is considered as quaternary salt, and for such type of salt solution, solubility product will be equal to 27 S raised to power 4, where S is the symbol of solubility. Now in this question, it is mentioned that which statement would be true. So we have to find out the correct statement. The first one is the addition of salt of Ky to solution of My and Ny3 will have no effect on their solubilities. This statement is incorrect. If we are going to add Ky, it will provide a common ion, and in the presence of common ion, solubility will be affected. So this is wrong statement. Now next option is the molar solubilities of My and Ny3 in water are identical. This is again incorrect option, because if we are going to calculate the solubility, even then they are having same value of solubility product, solubility is coming different. Third option is the molar solubility of My in water is less than that of Ny3. Now let us calculate the molar solubility. Here the solubility product value is given 6.2 into 10 raised to power minus 13. This should be equal to S square. So solubility is root of 6.2 into 10 raised to power minus 13. While in this case, if solubility product is taken as 6.2 into 10 raised to power minus 13, this is equal to 27 S raised to power 4. So solubility is coming less in the first option than in second one. So third option is the correct one. Fourth option is the salts of My and Ny3 are more soluble in 0.5 molar Ky than in pure water. This is again incorrect option, because in the presence of common ion, solubility decreases. So solubility should decrease than pure water. So in the given 4 option, the correct one is 3. So option 3rd is the correct answer of the question.